There's some people who asked me, are you on Sushant Singh Rajput's side? Are you on Rhea Chakravarti's side? The job of a journalist is not to be on somebody's side. The job of a journalist is to look at the facts dispassionately and report those facts. What I'm saying may sound radical, but actually it is not. It's the fundamental tenet of good journalism. If you decide that you're in XYZ's camp, then you will view the world only from that perspective. Here was a charge, and when we went to Rumi Jaffrey, we had absolutely no idea what he would say. Maybe he would have said, yes, 15 crore rupees was paid, and yes, Rhea then stole that money. But he says instead that the money was never paid, in which case, if the money was never paid, there's no question of it having been stolen. Now, are all the Banana Republic channels going to apologize for all the lies that they've churned out again and again, night after night? What are you saying, YP Singh?
Rahul, Rhea should take action against these Banana Republic channels, the yellow channels, which I call them. And unless until this is done, the respect of the media before the society shall not get redeemed.
Well, that's really for Rhea to look at. We're not into advising her. What she does is for her to look at and for her legal team to look at. We're putting out the facts as they are in the public domain. And Sunil Shukla has been coming out very strongly and batting for Sushant Singh Rajput's family. Now, that whole charge was predicated around the idea that Vashu Bhagnani, Rumi Jaffrey paid 15 crore rupees and that Rhea Chakravarti stole that money. Now you've just heard from the director himself, no less, that the money was never paid. If the money was never paid, it couldn't potentially have been stolen.
We're not talking about Jaffrey paying money. We are talking about the money which was already there in Sushant Singh Rajput account. Now, the ED, which has done investigation in Quant Talent Management, where they have found that 22 lakh rupees, Sushant has paid 62 lakh to the talent company, and in return, the kickback was paid to Rhea Chakravarti. That was after his death. That money has already been flown to her account.
Let's just deal Sunil Shukla with the 15 crore, because I have the FIR copy, the Bihar Police FIR copy, and this is an FIR filed by Sushant Singh Rajput's family. It expressly mentions 15 crore rupees being stolen, siphoned off from Sushant's bank account. Now we've just proven that the 15 crore rupees which Sushant told his family he received, he never got. Now from 15 crores you've come down to 20 lakhs.
No, I'll tell you, you're mixing two things. We're not talking about Jaffrey paying money, which is going to be post after, which definitely that would be given in a period, in a slapwise or during the shooting period. I'm talking about the money which he already earned, like in MS Dhoni, which movie he did, which went super hit, which made a net profit 112 crore rupees. There are other movies which has been successful. Don't you think he didn't receive any money from that? He received money, though we are not saying the 15 crore together was removed. It was siphoned out. It was siphoned every different time. So we are talking about the one which ED has already investigated, and they have found 62 lakh rupees, which was paid by Sushant Singh Rajput, and that money, 22 lakh, was taken by Rhea Chakravarti. That's very much on record. You cannot deny that. I'm not saying the entire 15 crore in one go was removed.
Okay, so at least now we're not talking about 15 crore rupees. We are down to 20 lakhs. That's one concession that you're making. Because the FIR expressly talks about 15 crore rupees being siphoned from Sushant's bank account. If that money never went in, and remember, there is this meeting which Sushant had with his sister and his brother-in-law who's a cop. In that meeting, he apparently told the family that life is looking up because I've signed a big film and I'm getting 15 crore rupees, or I've got 15 crore rupees. I wasn't there, I don't know what he said, but the family went away with the impression that he now has 15 crores in his bank, which when they checked the accounts, clearly found YP Singh that money to be missing. And therefore, they pressed the panic button, they went to the police, they filed this complaint that the 15 crores had been stolen by Rhea Chakravarti, and this investigation shows that that money never came. Now the likes of Sunil Shukla, instead of charging Rhea with siphoning of 15 crore rupees, are saying 15 crore chodo 20 lakh to liye isne.
Presenting it. No. What I'm trying to say is, we're talking about the other income which he earned out.
To discover the trail of money.
Jaffrey income.
Very simple matter. And ED, CBI, all have endeavored so hard to find the money trail which even a novice would have found. And since there was no money trail, nothing was found. Obviously, Sushant's father filed a false FIR.